Hey Navy, welcome back to my channel, love. So we are back with a closet makeover today, y'all. I am super excited. My apartment is really just coming together. So we're starting off with putting together these storage bins, which y'all know, if you know me, you know they're from Amazon, and I'm gonna have the link in the description box. I'll have the link to everything in the description box, so y'all just be on the lookout for that. But yeah, we're just putting that together. I'm such a minimalist, you guys. It's actually sick. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I actually got rid of Kyson's crib and changing table. So I no longer have his dresser, and this is how I am storing his clothes. So I'll also show you guys how I'm gonna organize and all of that. I was actually very intentional on the type of storage bins that I chose because I wanted them to be just sturdy, very discreet, and spacious, and I feel like mission accomplished. They also came in different sizes, so that was convenient. And here we have everything of his folded and organized, ready to put inside of the bins. And then right here, we just have some more new clothes that I actually have to wash first, but I will also be adding them to the bins. So yeah, let's go ahead and add them in. And also, one more thing I forgot to mention, you guys, these bins actually attach in the back. So you'll see that in a minute, but yeah, super convenient. So now we have entered my very much empty closet, but that's about to change right now. If you don't know, I do have a walk-in closet, so we're about to jazz it up and pick a place for everything. On this side, I decided to go ahead and put those storage bins up at the very top because I have all this additional space. So I said, oh, this is perfect. I can make this kind of like Kyson's corner. So that's what we did there. And then leading up to this wall right here, I decided to go ahead and put my jeans right here. This is actually the side that's above my shoe rack, which y'all will see shortly. I have a whole video of me putting together and mounting that shoe rack, but I'll show y'all in this video me actually organizing it. So I'm kind of just placing my jeans here. I know I wanted my pants above it though, just to kind of create that vibe, that aesthetic. So I'm gonna, you know, straighten it up and all that, but I'm just placing everything, y'all. Bear with me, bear with me. So this part is just so therapeutic to me, y'all. Just me putting my shoes up, and don't mind me, y'all. I still got to get my winter shoes and step my shoe game up a little bit, but this is what we got for now. And then a few days later, I decided to go back in and, you know, get back into this organizing and color coding because I needed to look very just organized and neat and put together. So that's basically what I went back and did, was color coded, and I also organized by seasons, and I try to put all the summer stuff more towards the back corner. This is the other side of my closet, to the left when you walk in. So it's all gonna come together, y'all. It's all gonna come together. Just wait for the final results. So y'all, what's actually crazy is that this isn't even all of my clothes. Like I still have more clothes in storage along with, like I said, like my winter little booties and heels and all that type of stuff. So I still have to get all that, but this is just, you know, for now. So yeah, I just love how I made the sequence kind of flow and put my jean jackets towards the end. Like stuff like this just makes me happy. Like, yes, this is what adulting has come to. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and just keep watching for the final results on how my closet came together. One more thing I forgot to mention, you guys. I don't know if you could tell, but I do have these velvet gray hangers, and if you don't know, velvet hangers actually save space, and I decided to go with light gray because it's just a vibe, okay? Like, I will have the link to that as well in the description box. But yeah, I feel like it just tied everything together to give me that real chic, modern look and match the white shelves and all that. So that's where that inspo came from.